If you're into gear that lights up your life, today's a video just for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Hun's Tactical. I've gotten my hands on 6 Olight Sphere ambient lights. And let me tell you, these little orbs are a game changer for everything from cozy nights to parties to having lights when the electricity goes out in your home. It's nice to have these around. They're rechargeable, they're app controlled, and they pack a 360-degree punch of color and light. Stick around as I unbox them, show you the basics, dive into the smart features, and even demo some mind-blowing colors. If you love versatile lighting, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. First things first, these came in a standard Olight box. They came with the charger, an adhesive so that you can attach it to things that aren't magnetic, because they come magnetic standard, but if you want to attach it somewhere that doesn't have it, it's nice to have that adhesive. I knew I needed something rugged to keep my 6 spheres safe and organized, and that's when I started looking at different Pelican cases, because it's waterproof, it's crush proof, and I custom cut the pluckable foam to fit each sphere. Each one slot fits like it was made for it. No rattling, no damage during travel. I love this setup for longer trips or just tossing in the trunk. It turns them into a portable light station. Quick specs before we go any deeper. Each sphere is about the size of a tennis ball, weighs next to nothing, and runs on a built-in rechargeable battery via the magnetic USB charger, up to 8 hours or longer on colors. They're IPX4 water resistant, so they can handle splashes or even float in the tub for bath time vibes. At around $35 each, snagging 6 was a steal for the fun they bring. Now, let's talk hands-on control, no app needed for the basics. These spheres have a super intuitive button control. A single click turns it on, another single click cycles through the different colors and modes it has to offer. If you hold down the button, it raises its intensity, and if you again hold it, it will reduce its intensity. If you need to turn it off, just a quick double click. Now, fiddling around with it, I actually found if you triple click it, it can be like a beacon, and if you have it on and then triple click it, it also does like a distress signal or an emergency, something like that. So it's kind of unique, just fiddling around with it, and I found that. So these lights are very versatile to cycle through 7 modes: calming white, emergency red, flashing red for signals, and 4 vibrant colors like blue or green. But the real magic, Bluetooth and the Olight Hub app. It's free to download on iOS or Android, and it pairs within seconds via Bluetooth. The range is up to 32 feet, which is not the greatest, so you want to make sure you use these lights in close proximity. Once connected, you can unlock up to 20 different colors and effects, plus stepless dimming on any hue. Brightness slider, check. Color wheel for custom shades. Absolutely. Mix your own sunset, orange, or alien green. The killer feature for my setup was the grouping of these lights. So I was able to group my 6 lights all into one group so that I'm able to just quickly turn them on or off. And you can group up to 100. So I'm set. Now, one tap changes it all at once. It's perfect for syncing ambience in a room or for a camping trip. The bonus mode is their music rhythm mode. You can have the app analyze the beat of the music and have your lights dancing. There's a countdown timer, which I've used multiple times. You come home after a long day of work, set the light up, set it up for 20-30 minutes, and in 20-30 minutes it will auto shut off, so you don't have to worry about blowing its battery while you sleep. There's even a game mode, Bash a Mole. You can tap the lights and score points. It's playful and fun, especially if you have kids. Just note, the app needs a login, but it's quick and secure. These Olight Spheres have me hooked. They're versatile, fun, and that 360-degree glow is unreal. From solo button basics to the app synced control, they're my new go-to light. Downside, not super bright for big spaces, and the app's permission feels a tad invasive, but it's easy to toggle off. If you're eyeing ambient lights, I suggest you grab one. or 6, like in my case. Just check out Olight's website. I can provide the link in the description below. What's your dream lighting setup? Drop it in the comment and smash like if this sparked joy in your life. This is your only joy. I'm the only one that gave you joy. If that's the case, I feel bad for you, but I'm also kind of happy that they can make you guys laugh and have a good time. So, but that's pretty damn funny. I love how that sentence just came out.